Hi, my name is Allison and I'm going to walk you through how to add contacts, also known as subscribers, into your Mobile Text Alerts account. That way, you can start sending texts in no time. Let's get started. There are three main ways to add subscribers to your account. The first and easiest way to add an individual subscriber is to manually type their information directly into the platform. Just go to your Subscribers tab, click Manage Subscribers, and then click the Add Subscriber button. You can also manage and view information for all of your subscribers from this page. The second way to add subscribers is by importing a spreadsheet with a list of all the contacts you'd like to add. Just click on your Subscribers tab and select Import Subscribers. From this page, you'll be able to upload your spreadsheet file. You can also download a template spreadsheet to make sure your own spreadsheet is in the right format before uploading. The third way to add subscribers is to ask them to send a text from their mobile phone. Anyone can text into your account's free phone number to get automatically added to your subscriber list. You can even set up keywords that will trigger a specific auto response when someone texts in. Go to the Opt-in Methods tab and select Keywords to view your account's phone number and set up these keywords. In addition to those primary three methods, there are several other ways to add people to your subscriber list. One way is to set up a scannable QR code. You can create a QR code template by navigating to Opt-in Methods, QR Code Templates. Click Add QR Code Template to customize a QR code. Once you've added a QR code template, you can navigate to Opt-in Methods, Keywords. From there, you can assign your QR code template to any of your keywords by clicking the QR code option and then selecting your desired template from the drop-down. You can then download the QR code to share it with your audience. They'll be able to easily subscribe to your texts by scanning the code and sending in the pre-filled text message that appears on their phone. Another way to get subscribers is by providing them with a sign-up form link. Your account comes with a free, customizable sign-up form that you can set up and share with your audience. Navigate to Opt-in Methods Sign-up page. From here, you can customize the design of your sign-up page and designate which fields you'd like to display. You can copy the link to your sign-up page using the Copy Link button and share that link with your audience. Or you can click the HTML or iframe tabs to copy the code so that you can embed the form into your own website. Lastly, you can add subscribers via integrations, available primarily through the integration site Zapier.com, which allows access to thousands of integrations and offers a free plan. There are a few services that directly integrate with the Mobile Text Alerts platform, including Zoom, GoToWebinar, and Procore. Your account also comes with a free API that you can use to program your own integrations. The documentation for this, as well as your API key, can be found in your Settings tab. Now you know all the ins and outs of adding subscribers to your Mobile Text Alerts account. Now you're ready to start growing your subscriber list so that you can reach even more people. And if you ever have questions, remember to check out the Help Center for tutorials and documentation, or use the chat box on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and we'll be happy to help.